what's up? So Instagram announced the arrival of music sticker, lyrics, lip syncs live, starting from today in Latin American countries and in European countries. So now you don't have to use the VPN trick to use the music feature in Instagram. So Instagram is rolling out this feature. So if you might not seeing this feature, just try to update your app and it should work. So let's go and check this music feature. As you can see on the bottom, you can see the music sticker tab there. I can't play any music here because of copyright, so you can choose one song from here. Let's choose Sunset Lover. Now on the top you can see the lyric bar. You can click on the lyric bar. Okay, lyrics not available for the song. Okay, let's click on record button. I think my record will not work because I am recording the screen. So anyway, the song is playing on the background. Okay, the video record is too short. Actually I am recording my screen, so that's why video recording is not working. Let's take a picture. Okay, and you get the thumbnail of the music. Tap on it to change the thumbnail display, and you can give additional filter if you want. Once you are done, you can click send, or you can do it otherwise in a different way, like in normal mode. Take a picture, take a video, then go to sticker, choose music and choose from this different music. Now on the bottom you can see the lyric bar. You can drag to go to the different part of lyrics, and Instagram will give you 15 seconds of the song to choose. So tap on the screen to change the display of the lyrics. You can either choose from different fonts or different thumbnails, and once you are done, click done and click send. So that's all guys. Likewise, you can use this music feature in Instagram without using any VPN, of course. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.